Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, we are officially back after like 3 months of my YouTube sabbatical. You didn't notice I was gone, right? It's okay, I'm not hot. At the beginning of this year, I promised myself that I'm going to be uploading a video every week, but I have not even uploaded in months. And I have a good reason why. So in this video, I'll be taking you guys through how I'm setting up my new space for drawing, editing, making videos, art stuff, unboxing new supplies, and also getting back to drawing. But before that, I think I should properly introduce myself.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Name: Damala Johnson. Age: 23. Okay, I turned 24 last month. I'm 6'1", I think. Graduated from architecture school last year. Big deal. And I've been on my YouTube journey for about 3 years. That's long, bro. So I recently moved to a new city and I've been working on setting up my space, moving forward in my art journey, and also making better videos. How am I doing so far? Alright guys, let's unbox. This is a tech board. I think I got it 29 by 29. My whole idea is to put it here. Hopefully that works. You don't read manuals, right? Okay, I think I'll have to read manuals. Creating a perfect space that will be conducive and help boost your creativity is incomplete without some artwork. And while I'm still trying to figure out the right ones to use and the placement, I figured I should just paste some of my old drawings and add a touch of myself to the space. So I just pasted some of my drawings and I'm not going to it looks good, but I still feel like it's looking a bit messy, like it needs a bit of like structure, and I really want it to look very attractive. So I think I'm just going to go to the market and get the frame. Hopefully I find what I'm looking for. Alright guys, let's do this one last time. I've never actually gotten around to framing my drawings, despite the fact that I've had a lot of people close to me asking me to draw them, or sometimes I get DMs on Instagram about doing a portrait, but just never got around to doing it. I don't know if this imposter syndrome or I didn't have the courage to go all the way. So getting frames now and actually framing some of my little drawings and doodles I do is a big step for me, and I feel like there's more and better to come. For this frame, I'm using a transparent film first to protect the paper and also makes it look a bit glossy. Then I have to make the drawings actually fit the frame. At the end, it didn't come out as great because the paper I use is very cheap, but I think it's good enough for now. I drew this Sasuke drawing in my experimental sketchbook a few weeks ago, and I really like how it came out, so I think it's going to be good if I frame it. And also I'm an anime fan, so for my last frame I'm going to redraw this in a bigger sketchbook. So I feel like I've told you guys a little bit about me earlier, but I just feel like I should reiterate it again. So I graduated from school last year and I was studying architecture. But this year I've been planning to like take my art and my YouTube journey seriously. So I've been actually working on building my space and getting better, and I'm finally back to YouTube now, and I just want to build my community and connect with people, help artists like myself and people that are not even like at my point right now, help them grow and also get better. So if you're an artist, you can just drop I in the comments so I can know that you are watching this video and you actually like acknowledge it and also watch it to this part, which I'm very, very grateful for. You can also drop a like, share to your friends, your artist friends, and let's just follow along for the journey. So for the kind of videos I'll be uploading, I've divided them into 3 parts, and the first part is going to be vlog videos, which is a video like this where I just show you guys what I've been to, how it goes in life as an artist and a YouTuber as well, and how I tend to manage and adjust and just balance the life in general. And the second part of the video is going to be a movie cinematic type of video, which I actually enjoy doing, and I was inspired by artists like Gox and people like Gaku, Pete Gates, Carl Shakor, which I also like making that types of video. And the third part is going to be a tutorial type video, which I'll just take you guys through the process of what I'm drawing, how I'm drawing it, the tools I use, the things you need to get better and grow in your art journey. So I don't know which one you enjoy the most out of these 3 types of videos, but that's the type that I'll be dropping. And just now, see you guys around. Yes.